I feel great. Practice is going well, so it's just for me to go there, execute, have fun, and just make the finals, try to make the finals. So that's the main goal.
Of course, you'd have been in Eugene 2022, you'd have been in Budapest. What will you be taking from those two championships into this one to ensure that you get, the best out of yourself performance-wise?
Honestly, it actually comes down to what you do on that day. So it's just for me to go there, try to get the attempt on the first attempt, and because it's going to come down to who make it on the first and so forth. So it's just for me to try to get the qualifying mark.
Double D, what kind of height she needs to be a part of this medal thingy?
Well, first to qualify, she needs 1.97 meters, and her best this season is 1.92 meters. So she's, on paper way off from that. Technically, I don't know how she'll show up at the championships, but that's the bar that she has to literally clear to get into the final. Mm-hmm. And to challenge for a medal, it's above close to 2 meters. Mm-hmm. She has to be in 2 meter shape.
Daniel got it right on the nose. First, her best this year, 192. Second, the qualifying standard, the automatic, is 197. Third, her personal best is 2 meters that she did indoors, as Never would know, as opposed to outdoors where her personal best is 197. So that's a real challenge for her. The good news is that they take the top 12. Mm-hmm. So they may not even get as high as 197, and at 192, I think she'd have a big challenge there. But if you're not over 2 meters, there are about 5+ women over 2 meters this year. If you're not over 2 meters, you're not challenging for a medal.